one of the reasons why, one of the many reasons why I love living in Korea is because I find that there is a lot of cultural similarities in between people in Korea and in Serbia. And in Serbia, people also care very much about family, about elderlies, about their community, and in Korea too. So actually, although for foreigners it's not very easy to live in Korea, I think for Serbian people it's not that difficult because we almost share the similar system of values like Koreans. So actually, my best friend is Korean because I fully identify with her values and her family. So Serbia and Korea are much more similar than you think. And I'm the living proof. Powerful and true. In Western Europe, people are more individualistic. And in Eastern Europe, especially Southeast Europe, people are more warm and collective and family oriented. The same is in Korea. So in that sense, I think Korean people and Serbian people are very, very similar. That's why I think it's easy for me to live in Korea and to make friends in Korea, and that's why I love Korea so much. Korea and Balkans, amazing.
Mi smo veoma geografski udaljene zemlje, ali imamo dosta sličnosti kroz istoriju, jer smo i Srbija i Koreja su bile napadane od strane velikih sila, ali su i Srbija i Koreja uspjele da sačuvaju svoju državnost, i svoju kulturu, i svoju civilizaciju i način života.
수도가 베오그라드고요. 노비사도 옛날에 여행했는데 되게 좋았어요. 그래서 노비사. 그리고 니슈는 고기가 맛있대요.
아, 고기요? 블라치가 제일 예뻐요. 블라치 섬이 되게 예뻐서 여기가 자전거 보죠.
이데모 세르비아.
Idemo Srbija, idemo Koreja, zajedno.
Zajedno idemo Srbija i Koreja.
Kapsida.
갑시다.
Kapsida.
Let's